Hi everyone, this is Evie with another acrylic pour, this time with basically two colors, basically black and a lavender type color. And then another lavender type color, but it's just a tiny bit darker than the other one. Just colors I've used before that I need to use up. So let's get started with our dirty pour. Yes, let's get started. Here's our cup. Okay, let's start with the light lavender color, and then we'll put in some of the darker lavender color. They look like basically the same color to me. And then some black on top of that, just a little bit black. Okay, great. Now we'll go ahead and put in some more of this lighter lavender color, and then the darker lavender color. Yeah, basically the same color. And a little bit of black. Okay. Now some more of this lavender color. A little bit of black. Let's finish off with black. I think we've got enough paint in there. So let's finish off with some black. Okay. And then I'm going to cover the canvas with black. I think my black is a little on the thick side, but let's get the whole canvas covered. I might do, depending on how much paint I have, I might do like a negative space. Okay, so as you can tell that I do have silicone in this black. As you can see the little canvas white peeking through at various spots. So my paint basically is floetrol, water, and some silicone. Let's get all the sides covered. I'm usually really bad at that. Let's get my sides covered. Okay, so I guess we're doing a flip cup. Let's find, okay, here's a canvas that I can flip on. Here is mine. Flip my canvas, ready, set. Go. Okay. So now let us apply some heat, see if we can get some cells. Okay, now let's do some tilting. First we'll tilt to this corner. Ooh, and I'm losing a lot of the paint. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay, so clean off my hands. Got all kinds of paint on my hands. Let's see if we can do some more shells. Here we go. Interesting. So I did a 2-color Dirty Cup, Dirty Flip Cup. And these are my results. Thanks for watching.